this is Librarian at Radnor Memorial Library with a wellness tip for you. This week we're going to talk about some resources for healthy cooking. This is meal preparation. Healthy cooking is something that we have to do every day in our homes, and I hope that I can suggest some ways that we can get people of all ages in the house involved in the meal preparation and make this task, this daily task, maybe a little bit more fun and engaging. For the youngest members of the family, I recommend looking at Montessori Notebook. Montessori schools have proven simple techniques for keeping practical tasks developmentally appropriate. And if you look at their list of suggestions, some of them will be things you already know, and some of them will be little reminders that people of all ages have something that they can offer to kitchen work. And even the very youngest children, they tend to feel a lot of pride when they can contribute to the family in this way. Another thing is that sometimes if children can choose a recipe for themselves, they might feel a little more excited about helping to get it ready. I'm very sympathetic about picky eaters and about special diets that we handle in our homes. And one simple resource that I like for recipes is called Chop Chop Family. That link will be found on this page, but in the notes below the video. But it's Chop Chop, C-H-O-P, C-H-O-P. They also publish a cooking magazine, so if cooking is something that your family really enjoys quite a bit, the magazine is something you might want to look at as a fun resource. Their website has quite a few child-friendly recipes with simple ingredients, and they aim to make things that children can mostly prepare for themselves. Another resource list that I like is called Super Healthy Kids. And that's another recipe list that's organized by age level just to help you have an idea of what children of different ages might be capable of preparing. Of course, every child is different, and you'll have to make the judgment for yourself about what kinds of kitchen tasks are best for your child at different stages of their life. Another resource to look at is the Penn State Extension Office. The Penn State Extension Office has articles and videos on their website. One of the great offerings that they have is how to make the most of pantry ingredients. Pantry ingredients are those staples, the dry goods, things that come in jars or cans that we might keep on hand. Things like pasta, rice, canned tomatoes, dry beans. Those ingredients that we can often stretch out as a great way to stretch our food dollar, our food budget. And there are those basic ingredients that we can turn into almost anything. So the Penn State Extension has some great tips. When you look at their page, if you just search with the words family and meals, you'll turn up a lot of different resources there. And the last thing might be the most obvious one for kitchen inspiration. I encourage you to look at the library's collection of cookbooks. When you go to our catalog online, you would, if you put in the word cookbook and juvenile, this will give you the cookbooks that are aiming for children to be the readers. Your children might like to pick a new cookbook, browse through, choose a recipe your family might like. And of course, you can also choose cookbooks from the more general collection just to find something to inspire yourself to try something new. I hope that some of this information will be useful to you today, and I wish you very happy days cooking with your family. Thank you very much.